That's enough. So, yo, that ass. These are like 20 pounds each. These are the dead ass 2.0s. So yeah, y'all can do it with sneakers, sandals, barefoot, whatever y'all want. But I do it with Timbs because I'm from the Bronx and I'm dead ass. So, facts.
Nah, y'all don't get this.
Alright, so got another project. Alright, so this build is going to be a simple and clean build. Is a, I guess it's 2012, let me see. Is a, yep, 2012 Acura TL. Now this car is already bagged. It's bagged on airlift. Let's see the back. We're going to be installing all this stuff. That's a lot of stuff. Here we have a couple of 6.5 Maximal 0 gauge welding cable. We have, ooh, look, copper ring terminals, RCAs. Oh, another amp, Zapco amp. We have an, oh, that's right, an alternator. This is the MacMan. I think so. Yep, MacMan alternator. Subs. Also, Morel, same brand. Yellow top Optima. Another Zapco amp. Oh, they look good actually. Oh, interesting. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That was nice of them. This will be easier to install. You don't have to cut them. Do it by sheets. Look at this. Not too bad. All right. He has a, you know, nice basic system setup. Put this here. So he wants me to do something over here. Fix this up. It can look nice. Replace this tank. This tank is a steel tank. So he wants to replace the tank with a aluminum tank. Now, we have to see what shape we have here. This is a very odd shape. Like, we got this lump here. I have to consider making the box so that it could go around this. But then we got another hump here. Yo, this is a very weird shaped trunk. But that's the first step. So, gotta take some measurements. Got the measuring tape. Gonna have to start making some measurements from there to there, top to bottom, left to right, front to back, and get an overall measurement. All right, so just finished playing around with the numbers. This is the side view of the box. This is the speaker template, so it's literally the same as the speaker. Here we have it, people. I just have to add like probably like 2 inches here on the cardboard, but once I do the cut on the wood, I'll remind myself to do this. But here you go, people. So these are 4-footer box. We got 2.5 cubic feet on the ported side, and on the sealed side we got 1.39. All right, so that was quick. So we just finished building the box. We got the two 10-inch Morels inside a 4-footer band pass. So base box is done. Next step will be taking all the management out, building an enclosure, and putting everything back inside nice and neat. Are you recording?
Yeah.
So today Daddy is working on a customer's car.
But I'm holding yogurt.
Oh, you're holding the yogurt?
And then we can do it like this.
Okay. Thank you. So this is the crossover. So each speaker has a passive crossover. That's what they call it, passive. So passive.
Yeah, a passive.
Yeah, passive crossover goes after the amp.
A passive.
So black goes on negative,
Stop it.
and white goes on positive. So I put the wires in and I screwed the terminals down. Miley. Alright, so while they work on their stuff, they got their own project going on there. I'm working on the Hardline setup for the TL. So nice and simple. I'm doing everything on this side. Now once I'm finished doing all these lines, all I gotta do is copy the same exact design, put it on this side. Alright, so we have Anthony here helping me out with this build because I had a little accident here, so I can't really use my hands. So he is going to be doing the crimping for the Rockford 360. So just pretty much just crimping the wires here. So this is the this is for the input level on the 360. So this is gonna go in here, boom. So it's gonna receive the signal, the audio signal from the stock radio, and then it's gonna come out processed through RCAs. So this is what this does. It pretty much processes the sound, converts high level signal to low level signal.
Whatever that means.
So here we have the little diagram I made. All the speakers, we got 7 speakers in total. Okay, Miley, so you're gonna be on YouTube. You gotta talk right here, okay, on the camera.
Okay.
So talk about this setup right here. So what you gotta say about this? Serious innovations up there. Okay. What else do you see? Huh?
This.
The speakers.
Because
All right. So got the 2 boxes here. We got the 4/4 bandpass box working. I'm testing out the RGB lights. It works nice, really clean, and as well as the air suspension box. Got the LEDs in the back, the RGB lights. Got the Series Innovations lit. Working with the 360. This is the 360 right here. So he's just tuning the whole music. So we're using all 8 channels. All 8 channels into the 360. 360 is processing the sound and then output RCA into the amps. So right there, EMA's using the SMD. All right, so MDF is done. They're all the cutouts. Now I got to round over all the edges. Right here, boom, boom, boom. And that's about it. Then wrap it. Gucci. All right, so we just finished the build, trunk build. Check this out. Clean. Another one for the books. So Morel, 10-inch Morel in a 4/4 bandpass box. We got the Zapco amps in the back. Got some fans in there. This one pushing in, this one pulling out. We had a little design on the wood. 3D beauty board. Hardlines. Plaque. Plain. Now for the front, got the SMD voltmeter, the Rockford Fosgate controller, and put the little USB connector right here to program the 360. But yeah.